Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo have bring two law in Nigeria. This law goes to pastors, reverend father, and also evangelists. Yes, I will mention two of them so that you people can hear and also not fall victim on that. Because say that whoever that violate this law, no matter who you are, you must surely be punished and also pay 500 naira for that. He said that whoever, no matter who you are, no matter the church you came from, as far as you violate this law, you must surely pay 500,000 and also get your punishment. Number one law. He said that no one is expected to go to the market, street, or road to preach. Nobody is expected to go to the road, market, or street to preach. The reason that made Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo say so is that many of you people are using loudspeaker to do your evangelist. Yes, many of you people are using loudspeakers to preach on streets or market or road. That whoever that catch using loudspeaker again in this Anambra state to do anything, especially preaching, that person must be punished. That person must be punished, no matter the church he came from. According to what Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo spoke yesterday, the time he came to Happy Worker at Anambra State. So whoever that catch using loudspeaker doing publicity, that person must surely get his punishment and also pay 500,000 naira for it. That the loudspeaker can be disturbing so many people. See that whoever that catch using loudspeaker to do publicity in street, road, or market, that person must get his punishment and also pay 500,000 naira for it. Number two law says that no one is permitted to go to the water to do baptism. Yes, no one is permitted to go to river to do baptism. The reason that make Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo say so is because he stopped native doctors from going to the stream to do sacrifice. And all the native doctors tell them say that it is the same thing that them and pastors are doing. Say that whoever that catch going to river again to do baptism or do sacrifice, that person must be punished. According to what I heard, that people say that Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo spoke. Yes, please don't fall a victim of that. Especially those that is going for publicity. I don't say that people should not go for publicity, but please don't fall a victim from that. Because Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo said that whoever that catch going to streets or road doing evangelist using loudspeaker to preach, that person must surely be punished and also pay 500,000 naira for that thing he committed. Please tell your siblings or your relation, even your pastor that you know, so that he can never fall a victim on that. Thanks for watching, but please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.